this is Deb with Twin States Harley-Davidson. It is that time of year again. We are coming up to Rolling Laconia, and soon after that, we're going to be rolling right into Bike Week at Sturgis. Harley-Davidson has teamed up with Jesse James Dupree, owner of American Outlaw Bourbon and lead singer from Jackal. And we have such an exciting program going on. We have a limited amount of these vouchers right here for Rolling Laconia. There are 3 chances to win, so we're going to cover all 3. You need to come in to get your limited voucher. Each one is specially numbered. And the 3 ways to win are, we have a drawing, which the grand prize is going to be this awesome guitar signed by Jesse James Dupree right there. We are going to have a drawing to win a trip to Laconia, and then we are going to
Hi, Deb! What are we gonna do, Deb? What are we gonna do? You can win this!
This is going to be the grand prize at Sturgis this year. Now, if you come on down, I'll show you how to enter to to win.
Come on down, have some fun, win a motorcycle.